Today we're going to be knitting the 1x1 rib stitch. The rib stitch in knitting is a textured pattern created by alternating knit and purl stitches in a set sequence. It's commonly used for cuffs, collars, edges, and other areas where elasticity and stretch are desired. It also stretches horizontally and is completely reversible. In the example I have here, I'm using a number 6 chunky weight yarn on size 10 needles. I'm working on a multiple of 10 stitches plus 1, meaning I have 10 stitches plus an extra stitch for symmetry, so 11 total. To begin, I'm going to knit 1 stitch, and then I'm going to purl 1 stitch. Again, knit 1 stitch, and then purl 1 stitch. Knit 1 stitch, and then purl 1 stitch. Continue the sequence to the end of the row. So now we're going to turn our work, and unlike the first row, the second row is going to begin with a purl stitch. So purl the first stitch, and then knit the next stitch. Purl the next stitch, and then knit the next stitch. You're essentially just going to knit the knit stitches and purl the purl stitches. That's my favorite way to remember it. Repeat rows 1 and 2 as many times as you need to create the rib stitch.